All right, this is another quick video I want to record for you. I want to show you a little melodic piece that you can add to your library. This is a nice concept whenever you want to get to a F melody. We're going to apply this in the key of D flat, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to start on the 5 and we're going to go, and that's how we're going to get to the F. So A flat, A flat, G, A flat, F. So, okay. So we're going to apply this let's take the song Revelation 19, Hallelujah, Salvation and Glory. I just had to play this song last night, so it's still kind of fresh for me. So we analyze that song. How does it start? Those are the chords. Hallelujah, Salvation and Glory. Okay, so you got the gist of the song. So there's a couple points there that the melody was on the F. So the top of the song, right? So it starts on the F. So what I could do to start the song, if I wanted to, I can go. Okay, so I could do that at the beginning of the song. Hallelujah. Or I could do it on, Salvation. So I can do it right there. Let me make sure I get it right. So you got Hallelujah, Salvation. So I could basically do it on a 7/3/6, voicing that F up top. Okay, so I did. And just so you got my left hand. That's my left hand chord. I won't call the notes out. I just hold it on the screen for you. And my right hand chord has this sus-like voicing. Okay. So you got Hallelujah, Salvation. And then I'm just going to the regular song at that point. Okay, so some quick. So when you get to that, this is just a nice way to get to that F melody. All right, so hopefully that gives you some ideas and it's something that you can process and work through. All right, it's Daryl. I'm out. I hope you enjoyed the training today. If you want to learn 25 concepts just like this one, I encourage you to click the link below and check out our concept catalog. We want to give you some concepts that you can add to your playing, that you don't have to sit through hours of training to incorporate. We want to make these videos short, to the point, show you how the application works so that you can apply some of these concepts this Sunday if you need them. So if you're interested in the concept catalog, you want to learn 25 concepts just like this, click the link below and let us get you ready to play in church, on stage, or in the studio. This is Daryl Cook, and I want to thank you for checking this training out. We'll talk to you real soon.